come to question number 9. I'm reading the question. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Okay. So one thing you have to keep it in your mind. Here the unit is centimeter. Here in this question, what you have to keep it in your mind is, here we are talking about one shirt and the unit is centimeter. Here the total length is given in meter. So here we have to convert the units. Clear? So here comes to the steps. So first we'll write the total length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth. So here 40 meter is given. We have to convert this 40 meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeter. So we'll multiply this with 100 centimeter. So answer is 4000 centimeter. Okay. Now come to the next step. Length needed. Okay, length of one shirt. How much given? 2 meter 15 centimeter. So here also we have to convert this 2 meter and 15 centimeter. So 2 into 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So here 2 into 100, that is 200, plus 15 centimeter, that is 200. The answer is 215 centimeter. Now next is, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Okay, here we have to find the value of 1. So for finding the value of 1, we will do the division. Okay, so here we will divide 4000 by 215. Okay, hence 4000 centimeter cloth makes, so here I have to do the calculation, so I am rubbing this. Okay, so here I am doing the calculation. 4000 divided by 215. Yes, you have to do the division like this, then only you will get the answer and the remaining clothes. Okay, so take it as 1s are 215. So answer is 5, 8 and 1. Put down this 0, then calculate 215 into 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8 plus 4. Okay, so 215 into 8 we get 1720. So we can go for it. So 1720. So 0, 5 is 3. So just can be made and remaining cloth is how much? 1 meter 30 centimeter. So here first you have to change the value. You have to convert this value into centimeter. This 40 meter, that also you have to convert into centimeter. Then you have to do the division. In division, 18 shirts can be made and the remaining cloth is 1 meter and 30 centimeter, or you can write 130 centimeter. Okay, both way you can write it. Okay, hope it is clear for you. Okay, now come to question number 10. Question number 10 is same as the previous question what we did. So medicine, I'm going to read the question. Medicine is packed in a box, each weighing 4 kg 500 grams each. Each means we are talking about the single one. Okay. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? 800 kg means the maximum capacity is already given to you, and in the first part we have seen this each means the weight of one box is given. Okay, so what we did in the previous question, same you have to do it here also. Here we have to change the value. How we are going to change the value? We have to convert this into grams. So 1 kg is equal to how much gram? 1000 gram. Okay, so we have to multiply this 4 kg 500 grams with 1000. Then we have to convert this 800 kg. That also we have to convert it into gram. Again this 800 kg you have to multiply with 1000. Okay, then we have to find the quantity of each, means 1. So for finding the quantity of 1 we have to do the division. Okay, same question what we did in the previous one, same type. Okay, so this question is homework. Hope it is clear to you. Oh, yeah. Now come to question number 11. I'm reading the question. The distance between the school and the house of the student is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both way. So for example, if we are going to school, then again we are coming back. Okay, so we are covering the distance in both ways, from home to school, then school to home. Same thing she is also doing here. She walks both ways. So we have to find out the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Okay, hope the question is clear to you. So come to the steps. Distance between school and the house. Okay, that is given how much? 1 kilometer 875 meter. So here no need to convert any values. Okay, distance covered by her in both the ways. That's the next step. So distance covered by student both way. So it is 1 kilometer 875 meter into 2. Okay, because 2 times from home to school, school to home. That's why we are multiplying with 2. So 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, plus 1 15, 1 carry, 2 8 are 16, 16 plus 1 17, and 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So the answer is 3 kilometer 750 meter. Okay, now we have to find out the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Okay, so total distance is covered by student in 6 days. So again we have to do the multiplication at 3 kilometer 750 40 meter into 6. So the answer is 6 zeros are 0, 6 5 are 30, 642, 4 to 5 46. So 5, 6 3s are 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 kilometer, 500 meter. Okay, the final distance she covered is 22 kilometer, 500 meter. Okay, so this is the final answer. Let's go through it. Last question of exercise. Question number 12, I am going to read the question. A vessel has 4 liter and 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 milliliter capacity, can it be filled? Okay, so there is a vessel, for example, there is a vessel of 4 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, this is the curd, not the real curd. Okay, then there is a glass, okay, of 25 milliliter capacity. Just we have to find out how many glasses are needed to fill 4 liter 500 milliliter of curd. Okay, so hope it is clear. We want how many glasses to be filled, how many glasses is required to fill 4 liter 500 milliliter of what? Curd. Okay, so again I am saying 4 liter 500 milliliter of curd is there, and we have to find out, we have to fill the capacity of a glass, that is 25 milliliter, that is given here. So how much glass is required to fill 4 liter 500 milliliter of curd, and the capacity of glass is 25 milliliter. Okay, let's come to the solution. Now let's come to the solution of this question. Now the total quantity of curd, total quantity of curd how much? 4 liter 500 milliliter. Again here we have to convert it. Why we have to convert it? Because the capacity of glass is 25 milliliter and we have to find the glass. That's why we are converting this value into milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to how much? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 4 into 1000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. So the final answer is 4000 plus 500, that is 4500 milliliter. Okay, and the capacity of glass is given how much? 25. The capacity of one glass, how much? 25 milliliter. So it is already in milliliter, so no need to convert it. So again, let's do the division. 4500 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25. Okay, so the balance is 2, 0 and 0. So first we'll check out 25 into 4 is what? 100. So 25 into 8 we can do it. 8 5s are 40. 16 plus 2, 200. Okay. So 8s are 200. 1 0 is there. 25 zeros are 0. So we require how many glasses? 180. So I am just writing here this side. So therefore number of, this 3 dots is there for, okay, and this is a short form of number. Therefore, number of glasses required is 1. We have completed the exercise 1.2. If you have any doubt related to this question, what we have done today, you can drop your message in your campus care. Till then, stay healthy, be fit, stay safe. Thank you.